Good afternoon, clients. My name is Hanumant Rao, and I am part of L&D team of HDFC ERGO General Insurance. Today, I'll take 20 minutes to present you one option which is called critical illness, which you can all buy. This will substantiate your loss. Yesterday, we were discussing on health insurance and the importance of it, but because of our lifestyle diseases, okay, due to our various lifestyles, the diseases have started increasing, and these diseases are very costly in nature. The hospitalization might be 3 days or 4 days or 5 days, but the expenditure we incur to get that treated is huge. So even if you have health insurance policy, holding another critical illness policy will be a good idea, because this works on benefit basis. That means once a disease is contracted, then the person has to survive for 30 days. And on 31st day, the complete sum insured is paid to the customer as lump sum. So you can utilize that amount for any purpose. Let's say in health policy, somebody has 10 lakh rupees and they have exhausted the 10 lakh rupees. And for the rest of the year, they do not have any protection, their family members. Now, if you have something like critical illness with you, you get back that loss, and you can still deposit that in your bank and utilize that money in case you require for further hospitalizations. Now, critical for this policy, the age band is 5 years to 65 years. Above 45, it will be medicals. That means from the age of 46, person has to go for medicals. So we cover children from the age of 5 years. This has a normal waiting period of 90 days, a general waiting period. That means from the day the policy is issued, the coverage starts from the 91st day. Participants, if you have any question, anything to ask, you can please open the question box and type your questions there. Independently, I will look at those questions and answer you once the presentation is over. Thank you. Let's go ahead. Now, the money from this particular policy can be utilized in any way. You can pay your hospital bills, or you can spend that for house modification, or you can make that a regular source of income by depositing that in the bank. Having health policy is very crucial. Along with health policy, if you also have critical illness, then it will be icing on cake. The premiums in critical illness will be very, very low. It is very much affordable by every customers from all strata of life. These are not expensive policies, but a must purchase policies for every household. Okay, this policy comes in two forms, silver and platinum. See, the 15 diseases what I mentioned, visible on the screen for you. These are the various diseases covered in this policy. Now, silver plan covers only up to 8 diseases. That means heart attack, coronary artery bypass surgery, stroke, cancer, kidney failure, major organ transplant, multiple sclerosis, and paralysis. But in platinum, it extends to 15. That means aorta graft surgery, primary pulmonary arterial hypertension, heart valve replacement, benign brain tumor, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, end-stage liver disease. All the diseases will be covered in platinum. So our advice would be to buy platinum. That becomes a fully loaded cover with all lifestyle and costly diseases. Now, this is going to be a lump sum benefit to the customer upon first diagnosis. Now, once disease is diagnosed, the person has to survive for 30 days. That we call a survival period. Once a person survives 30 days, then he or she can approach us for claim. I think there are very few policies in the market who offer 30 days for across all the diseases. But otherwise, survival period differs from disease. Let's say in some organizations where I worked, for heart attack, the survival period was 30 days. For paralysis, survival period was 90 days. For aorta graft surgery, survival period was 120 days. So it differs from the disease. But here in HDFC Ergo policies, across all diseases, the survival period is common at 30 days. Then 90 days will be the general waiting period of the policy. The premium you pay towards this can also be subjected to 80D, Section 80D, that is rebate of 25,000 rupees for self and immediate family. If your dependent parents are there with you or living with you, then you can extend that 250 more thousand rupees for them. So total 75,000 rupees in case your dependent parents are also there with you and you want to pay premium for them. Then you can take 80D credit on your parents' premium as well. Now, the most important thing what you need to understand here is customer will be very it will be very difficult for the customer to understand when it actually got manifested in our body. But we go according to the doctor. If the first prescription says the disease is diagnosed on so and so day, which falls after you take the policy, then the claim would definitely get settled, because that's a valid document what we refer to, the doctor's prescription. And then the complete 10 lakh, there's only one sum insured available, which is 10 lakhs. And the complete sum insured will be paid to the customer upon completion of 30 days of survival period. The customer has to survive for 30 days. Now, how do you want to use this money? We will never ask you. It is not our prerogative. Our job is to give the claim as lump sum and let the customer or the beneficiaries decide how to use it. Whether they want to safeguard it or they want to buy a house or doing anything. We no questions asked there. Only one parameter what we look into is the survival period. How many days the person has survived. So that's about the policy. It's a small policy, but a worthwhile policy. So if you have any questions, you can start asking. You can start typing in question box, please. I think there is one question already in the question box. Now Ashwini Sood has asked, a rare disease covered. Ashwini, the 15 ailments which are on display right now on my screen, only these diseases are covered. I do not understand what is a rare disease you are referring to. But if the rare disease is listed in this 15, it is definitely covered. Hope I answered your question, Ashwini. Team, please start typing your question in the question box. Or if you want me to explain any feature one more time, even that you can uh, flash that in my question box. Anything. This is a very small product. I think much to explain. It is only your doubts which needs to be, yeah. Premium. Sanjeev has, premium depends on the age, and I assure you the premiums are very, very low. As of now, I do not have the premium chart with me. Otherwise, I would have showed it to you. Okay, then Ashish Maheshwari, how come this policy is different from term insurance offered by HDFC Life? If I understood your question properly, Ashish, you are referring to the critical illness rider of life insurance. If my understanding is correct, then there is no difference at all, because even the life insurance company buys this particular rider from some health insurance company, some general insurance company. So the way it works is absolutely same. There is no different at all. But the only difference is that comes as a rider in life insurance, and here in general insurance, it comes as a standalone product. Plus, in life insurance, person has to pay the mortality charges also, but that mortality charges will not be applicable in general insurance policies. I think that's the only difference. What is the premium for existing policy holders? Ajay Bandari. So if I understood your question correct, existing holders means you might have some policy with us and you're inquiring what could be the premium for you. There will not be any premium, Mr. Ajay. It will be a common premium across the industry for all sections, whether they are having any policy with us, prior policy or not. So basically, this premium is very less. So not much can be expected from this policy. Is COVID covered? Soundararajan as Soundararajan Iyengar, I think. Mr. Soundararajan, COVID is covered in health policies or COVID only policies, but this policy covers only those 15 ailments which are on display. You can refer to the screen. The 15 different illnesses are mentioned there. Only these 15 ailments are covered in this policy. Okay. చెప్పాను ఏంది ఇక్కడ నాకు ట్రైనింగ్ అవుతుంటే sorry, friends. My son started disturbing me. Okay. Now, what is the okay? That these things I have answered. I am 59 years old. What are the charges and what is the period of coverage? Mr. Ravindra Mane, up to 65, you can come into the scheme, and there will not be any special charges. But for your age, you have to undergo medicals. Post which the underwriter will take a decision. So the premium is common across the ages, and if at all loading is applicable, then underwriter will send you a counter offer which will explain you what is the extra premium you need to pay to the customer, pay to the organization. Okay, Sanjeev Talreja, annual premium. Yes, as of now, general insurance deals with only annual premium. We have some products where we have filed for monthly and quarterly also, but those things are yet to begin. So as of now, it is only annual premium in general insurance. Okay, Siva Prasad Reddy has asked me to explain the product one more time. Yes, Mr. Siva Prasad, I'll definitely do that, but let me take the questions first. Mr. Soundar Rajagopalan, what is the premium amount difference between silver and platinum plan? There will not be much difference, Mr. Rajagopalan, because there are 8 or 7 more features added into platinum, and accordingly the premium will be charged. But please take it from me, premiums are very, very affordable in this particular plan. Is there any option for 50 lakhs? Purushottam. Mr. Purushottam, the sum insured is restricted at 10 lakh rupees. If you want up to 50 lakh rupees, you can buy 5 policies. There is no issue in that. Okay, Ashwini Sood. What all expenses are covered? Say, Mr. Sood, nothing is covered here. Once you complete the survival period, you did not give me proof of any expenditure. Proof of expenditure is not required for this policy. The only thing is you should have completed the 30 days survival period. Then I will provide you the settlement. So technically, I will not pay for any expenses. Neither I will ask for the proof also. So my thought would be to check whether the customer has completed 30 days survival period. If the customer completes it, then I will pay it in one shot. The only one document what I require is first prescription given from the taken from the doctor. That's all. Rupesh, is there option to pay 2 or 3 years premium together? That we need to check, Mr. Rupesh. I think other policies have 1, 2, 3. So I think this should also have it. But again, I have to check and come back to you. Then again, Ashwini Sood, is there a detailed definition of these diseases? Where can it be found? Mr. Sood, you can check this in our website, hdfcergo.com. You'll find the product prospectus and you will be able to locate it. Or you can also search for policy wordings of critical illness HDFC Ergo General Insurance. You will get a PDF form. You can do it. You can take and search it, or rather read it. Purushottam, can we also take international treatment? No, Mr. Purushottam, this is only India treatment. Worldwide cover is not available in critical illness policies anywhere. If you want international coverage, then you have to go with our Health Suraksha Global, where it covers the international and the national also. Then I missed the first 10 minutes of the presentation. I have a recording of the webinar. Please, my mail ID. So Chittaranjan is asking for admin. Mr. Chittaranjan is asking for the
Yes,
recording.
we will upload the same webinar on our YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. Okay, great, great. You also send it to me. Let me hear to my voice. How does it sound?
Yes, it's good.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. I understood. Then question is from Mr. Gopal Rao. I am 80 years old and underwent coronary artery bypass surgery. Can I be covered? And if so, yearly premium. Mr. Gopal, I will not be able to tell you what is the premium because you already have a pre-existing condition. You have already underwent a CABG. So your case will go to the underwriter, and underwriter, after checking everything, he will come back to you in the form of a counter offer. And then underwriter will himself tell you what is the loaded premium. Loading is definite with you, Mr. Gopal. Your premium will definitely get loaded, and our maximum loading ranges between 10 to 40%. So whatever is the revised premium for you, that you will come to know only through the underwriter. Then Ashwin Sood, to understand better your answer, if someone meets with paralysis on any day after taking insurance and he survives for 30 days, he gets a compensation. Absolutely perfect, Mr. Ashwini. This is what I meant. So this particular example has completed 30 days survival period. Now we are supposed to clear the claim of 10 lakh rupees in lump sum. Okay. Now, one participant has asked me to go through the product one more time. So, for his benefit and others who have joined late, for their benefit, I'll quickly run through the product in 5 minutes because it's a very small policy. Now, age is 5 years to 65 years, and up to 45, it is non medical. And even if you are less than 45 and you declare anything, any pre existing condition, even then you have to go for medicals. Then these are the listed diseases in the policy. We have two plans, silver and platinum. Silver covers 8 and platinum covers 15. For your benefit, let me read them out. Silver covers heart attack, coronary artery bypass surgery, stroke, cancer, kidney failure, major organ transplant, multiple sclerosis, and paralysis. These are the diseases covered in silver. And platinum, apart from these 8, extra aorta graft surgery, primary pulmonary arterial hypertension, heart valve replacement, benign brain tumor, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, end stage liver disease. So platinum covers all the list of diseases which we mentioned. So my advice to all of you would be to buy platinum, and you have a survival period available here in this policy. Any critical illness will have a survival period. Let it be sold by any organization. Now, our survival period is common throughout 30 days. For all the diseases, survival period is common, which is 30 days. That means from the day the disease gets manifested or it is diagnosed, first diagnosis of the disease, from that day, customer has to survive for 15 days, or sorry, 30 days. And on 31st day, you can move your claims document and we will settle that as lump sum. We have only one sum insured available in this product, which is 10 lakh rupees. The complete 10 lakh rupees will be paid to the customer immediately after 30 days. 90 days is the general waiting period. That means from the day you take the policy is issued to you, from that day, 90 days, the policy will not work. So it starts working from 91 days, post which, upon diagnosis, first diagnosis of the policy, 30 days should be the waiting period. Now, this 90 days will be applicable only in the first year. From second year onwards, this 90 days will not be there. It will be only survival period, which is necessary for all of us. So this is the product. If you have any more doubts, you can ask. To understand better, okay, that we have answered. Then Ashwini, how much time normally after 30 days to get the compensation? See, it depends on how fast you move the claims form, Mr. Ashwini. I'm sorry, I could not, I am not able to recognize the gender, male or female. I would say only Ashwini. Ashwini, it is, the simple process is very simple. Post 30 days survival period, you have to approach us. If the proposer is the patient, then proposer coming to the office is not mandatory. Anybody from his family members can approach us. They should give us the completely duly filled claim form along with one cancelled check. Then we would immediately process it, and maybe in a week's time you would get your money back. Now the money will get credited into your account. And second question from Ashwini, can you get terms and conditions in our email box? What you can do is, Ashwini, yes, we can definitely do it. Admin, can you ask the concern to send the conditions to Mr. Ashwini? Yeah,
Yes, we
I'll
can.
tell yeah. You can
Ashwini,
speak,
can you
Admin.
share your email address?
My email address, M for Mumbai, V for Victory, dot HANUMAN tharao@hdfcergo.com.
Okay, we'll share.
Yeah. Now, then Ashwini's next question. Can we get terms and conditions? Yeah, that is answered. Soundar Rajagopalan. Is hospitalization compulsory to claim this sum insured? Not necessary, Mr. Rajagopalan. I just need the proof of diagnosis, that's all. I will not ask you whether you got it treated or not. This policy doesn't require that information. Then again, Mr. Rajagopalan, approximately premium charges of silver and platinum plans. I would love to tell you, but I'm sorry, I do not have right now with me. Otherwise, I would have told you definitely. I will ask my team to help you out. You can place your mail ID in this particular thing. In the chat, in the question box, you please leave your mail ID so that the admin will take it forward. This complete session is recorded and all the conversation is also recorded. Don't worry, nothing will be missed. Then Ashwini Sood mail, yeah, Mr. Ashwini. Okay, so Ashwini has given his mail ID. Iyengar, God forbid, customer expires after 30 days survival period. Will his family get the compensation? Yes, Mr. Rajgopalan. The beneficiaries will get the benefit. So that's the reason why we need to give importance to the nominee column. Generally, in financial market, financial sector, nominee column is applicable everywhere. Whatever application you write in financial market, but many times this is the more least looked out column by all. They write anything and everything there. So please mention the exact word. Let's say Hanumanta Rao. So instead of H, if I start from A, then my ID says H, then I'm gone. Insurance company will not give the claim. Rather, it will ask us to ask the beneficiary to go to the court and get the legal heir certificate or the succession certificate. So the spelling of the name should be in such a way that it should match the ID what he or she is going to present to the insurance company. Just keep this in your mind, friends, and whenever the next time you fill in any application financial market, let it be a bank account, let it be a life insurance policy, general insurance policy, mutual fund, anywhere. Be very, very careful when you are writing the nominee details. Okay. Again, Rajgopalan, please send terms and conditions to my mail ID. Okay. Your mail ID is recorded, Mr. Rajgopalan. Ashwini, is this insurance for an individual or could be both for husband and a wife, or we have to take two for both of us? No, it can be a floater also, Mr. Ashwini. It can be a floater also. You and your wife can together take this policy, no harm. I think with that, I have completed all the questions. If I have missed any question, please inform me. If by mistake I might have missed out on any question, reading any question. And for the benefit of all, only 15 diseases which are mentioned on the slide are covered in this policy. No disease other than this, other than mentioned thing, will be covered in this policy. It's just 15 mentioned things. Rupesh, if it's floater, elder person passes away, will the policy continue? Yes. Yes, Mr. Rupesh. If one person passes away from the group, then the surviving person should approach us and ask us to delete the name. Then accordingly, the premium will be computed and told to the customer. Yes, it can be done. Then Ashwini, what if both get the disease in succession? If it's a floater, then it will be only one sum insured, Mr. Ashwini. If you're taking individually, then you'll get two sum insureds, which means COVID is not covered. Yes, Mr. Rajgopalan, COVID will not be covered in critical illness. In the yesterday's product, what we have discussed, yes, COVID is covered there. Last week, we have discussed one of my Delhi colleague from Delhi has discussed about Corona Kavach. So these two things will cover COVID. Any further question, friends? Sridhar, all types of cancers covered. Yes, the severity and everything is mentioned there. Any cancer will be covered. That is not an issue. What you can do is, Mr. Sridhar, you can visit our website, hdfcergo.com, and download the policy wording. Policy wording. Once you read the policy wording, you'll be able to understand everything. Actually, that is a must for all the customers. Whenever you buy a policy, the policy kit contains the policy wording also. Please pull out some time and read each word and each page. That will be very, very beneficial for all the customers at the time of claim. You will be able to understand the product properly. Is this lump sum benefit policy? Yes, Mr. Vijay, it is a lump sum policy. Upon survival of 30 days, lump sum benefit of 10 lakh rupees will be passed on to the customer. Yeah, Mr. Sridhar, you're welcome. There had been, I think we are done with it.
Yes.
No questions are left out.
Okay. So can I log out?
Yeah, team, there's one last opportunity to flash your questions. Otherwise, we can log off. Yeah, admin, I think we should log off. Thank you, friends. Thanks for joining today's session. Thank you very much, and please stay safe.
Thank you.
Yeah.